original. Son original.
The flavor of a fresh picked fruit or vegetable is a lot better. It keeps a long time. People keep telling us that when they buy vegetables from us, a lettuce might last more than a week, where if they get it from the store, a couple days. So it's really the freshness, the quality.
It's called CSA, which stands for Community Supported Agriculture. What we do here is we work with a local farmer in Moore Park, and what they do is they deliver fresh produce here to the CSUN community, which includes the faculty, staff, and students. Yeah, we just want more people to be aware of the efforts we're making towards sustainability, how it's very important to keep the business within the area, and the less your produce travels, the more beneficial it is for your health and for the benefit of the community.
The benefits not just of the locally grown and the lack of the pesticides and the engineering, the food has flavor. We get these, can you check this out. Check this out. These carrots are so sweet all by themselves. They're not the regular orange carrots. They're a little bit softer. They're red carrots, and they're deliciously sweet all by themselves. Right here, a blood orange. You know, you're not just going to get that just straight out of anywhere. And you know, it's a little bit smaller than you might get in a grocery store, but it's delicious and it's sweet and it's excellent. What we do is we subscribe to the service. And for a while, we were going to the farm to pick up our box every Tuesday. My son really liked it because I did it after I picked him up from school, and he got to play at the farm for half an hour. We now are a drop-off point within Simi Valley for people to come here and pick up their boxes.
Vamos a decir que es un lugar de entretenimiento. La Tierra Jada es un lugar de entretenimiento y de vegetales que la gente misma viene a cortar su prueba.
I've been coming here for about 9 months now, and I come once a week to pick up my box from the CSA program and to get whatever other fresh produce we need for the week. You can go to the back and see the field where your food is growing. You're not getting that at a Ralph's or a Vons or a major supermarket. People need to do that. You need to know where it's coming from. It's hot out there, it's sunny, it's dirty, and you have to get down on your knees and really get in there, and it makes you appreciate that you don't have to do that on a daily basis.
Pues era pobre en mi país y quise superarme, y es por la razón que me encuentro acá, lejos de mi familia, de mi pueblo, de mi tierra, de mi país.
Trabajar 10, 12 horas diarias, fines de semana, ocupadísimo. Mi día de descanso lo que hago es dormir porque muy cansado. Siempre me gusta tenerlo limpiecito, excelente. Quiero que todo se mire bonito, quiero que todo esté fresco, lo que no sirva tirarlo, lo que esté bueno, guardarlo y en la hielera bien acomodado. Como acá en las áreas no me gusta que haya basura, cuando tengo una chancita pequeña, con dar la basura que se mire bonito. No, no, aquí lo espero. Ahí. No dejan comer ni a gusto. Por eso me escondo para acá, porque si me estoy, hey Andolina, hey, ¿qué pasa? Hey, ahorita dejen comer, ahorita voy. Aquí ando bien.